Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to convert decimal to fractions. So we have to be very careful on this one. There is a little bit we, pay attention on this one. We must know the place value very well on this one. Okay, so let me go with the first one here. So converting decimal to fraction. So what are the keys here, right? So look, let me read the problem carefully. Read the number, decimal number. How do you read it? So this is whole number is 0. We don't have any whole number, okay? And what we have a decimal here. Clearly you see that's a decimal, right? And the next number is the 10th place. So how do you read it? We say 5/10. 5/10. So we say 5 and 10th. That's all we do, 5/10. That's the fraction. Now, is this a simplified and reduced fraction? No. Earlier on the video, we learned that if there is any common number between them, right, we must reduce it. So clearly I see there is a 5 common. There is a number ends with 5 and 10, so there is a 5 common by the divisibility rule. So 5/10, which is basically 1/2. And you know, $half same as a 50%, okay? All right, so that is how you get the fraction. So that is the answer for this first one we have here, okay? Let's take on the next one. How do you read it? So this is a 10th and this is a 100th, this is a 1000th. So guess what? You put down the number on top, you say you read it 1000th. So 1000th, one, how many zero will make it 1000? 3 0 will make it 1000. And that's super, that's super. We don't have to do anything else. That is how we write 1000th. Now some of you say, you know what, I do different way. Of course you can do different way, right? Some students say, oh, for this decimal, right, we can have 1. And how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3 digits. So we have a 0 in the denominator. That's fine. And on the numerator, just drop the decimal and put the number without any decimal. That is super duper easy also. When I was young, I used to do that actually, okay? So let's take a look on the next problem here, okay, which is in this case our 3 and 4, okay? So it's the same. If you understand one, you got to be understanding the rest of them, okay? So it's a 1. Well, this one is a little bit different actually, as you see, compared to the first and second one. 3 and 4 is similar, okay? So this one seems like has a whole number, whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole number, and this is a decimal number, decimal, okay, decimal number. So we can just plainly put down the whole number as a fractional whole number on the mixed fraction. Okay, this is going to be mixed fraction anyway. Oh, by the way, if you you have to be careful what question asks you. If question asks you for improper fraction, yeah, you do one. If question asks you for mixed fraction, just follow the way I'm doing. So 1 is a whole number, leave it as it is. Now how do you read it? This is going to be 10th, this is 10th, T-N-T-H, 10th, and this is 100th, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H, 100th. So how do you write? 500. So you have a 5 and that's 100. Okay, now you reduce a little bit. So 1 is a whole number, 5/100, so clearly you know 1 out of 20, and therefore this would be your answer here as a mixed fraction. Well, can we actually have as an improper fraction? Absolutely. It's going to be 20 times 1 is 20 plus 1 is 21. We can have a 21/20. But you got to read the question you have actually. Okay, what is the question is asking from you? Okay, is it asking you for mixed fraction or ask for improper fraction? Then accordingly you adjust your answer. Okay, now let's do the 4, which is basically similar way. So this is a whole number, this is a whole number. I can use a different color here. This is a whole number, whole. I just put on W. This is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000, this is 10,000. Okay, so how do we write? 3 as a whole number, and I'm just working out this piece here, by the way. 5,000, 5, well, 10, 100,000, 10,000, sorry about that, 10,000, 10, 1, 2, 3, 0, 10,000. So how do you reduce it? Well, you clearly you know 5, there is a common one, is 20, so it's going to give us 3 and 1 out of 200. yeah, 2000. So that is basically the answer for this one. That's how you do it. And also you can convert into improper fraction if you want, and it's up to you. So we learned actually at least 2 different ways how to convert decimal into a fraction, and hope you understood. Thank you so much. If you have any question, concern, you can you can comment it. You can, if you like it, you can share the like button, and if you want to subscribe, you're welcome to do that, so you can get your next video coming up in your mailbox. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.